Hey everyone, it's Aylin, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into a topic that's close to my heart: workplace safety. Specifically, we're uncovering the top 5 most common causes of accidents in the manufacturing industry. Now, if you're thinking, Aline, that doesn't sound very exciting, trust me, this is important stuff. We'll also look at real-life examples of these accidents that have occurred recently. Because sometimes, the best way to learn is from the experiences of others. Okay, let's kick things off with a scenario we've all encountered: the slip, trip, and fall. You're rushing through a busy day, not paying attention, and bam! You're flat on your back. Now imagine that happening on a factory floor, where the stakes are much higher. Recently, a worker at a metal fabrication plant was seriously injured in a similar incident. They were walking through an area where a leaking pipe had created a small puddle of oil. They slipped, lost their balance, and fell, fracturing their wrist and suffering a concussion. This accident could have been easily avoided if the leak was addressed promptly and warning signs were in place. It highlights how crucial it is to maintain a clean and organized workspace. Our next culprit is machinery accidents, a constant threat in manufacturing environments where heavy equipment is the name of the game. Just a few weeks ago, a horrifying incident occurred at a packaging plant. A worker, new to the job, was operating a high-speed conveyor belt. Due to a lack of proper safety guarding on the machine and insufficient training, his hand got caught in the belt's mechanism. The result was a devastating injury that required multiple surgeries and extensive rehabilitation. This accident serves as a stark reminder that proper machine guarding, thorough training, and strict adherence to safety protocols are non-negotiable. Let's talk about falling objects, those silent threats lurking from above. You might think it's just a dropped tool or a loose fixture, but the impact can be life-altering. Take, for instance, the recent incident at a construction materials plant. A worker was retrieving supplies from a high shelf when a heavy box of bolts, stacked precariously on the edge, came crashing down. The worker suffered severe head and shoulder injuries. This incident underscores the importance of proper stacking techniques, secure storage, and regular inspections to prevent such accidents. Now this one might surprise you: overexertion. You wouldn't think something as simple as lifting could lead to serious injury, but it's a leading cause of workplace accidents, especially in physically demanding industries like manufacturing. Just last month, a worker at a furniture factory suffered a debilitating back injury. He was tasked with lifting heavy pieces of lumber onto a cutting machine, day in and day out, without proper ergonomic support or lifting aids. The repetitive strain and heavy lifting took their toll, resulting in a herniated disc and chronic pain. This case highlights the importance of proper lifting techniques, ergonomic assessments, and providing workers with the right tools and equipment to prevent overexertion injuries. Our final category is a silent but deadly threat: exposure to harmful substances. Manufacturing often involves working with chemicals, fumes, and dust, which can pose serious health risks if not handled properly. In a recent incident at a chemical processing plant, a worker was exposed to a hazardous solvent due to a faulty ventilation system and inadequate personal protective equipment. The exposure led to severe respiratory problems, requiring hospitalization and ongoing medical care. This incident emphasizes the critical need for proper ventilation, the use of appropriate PPE, and rigorous adherence to safety protocols when handling hazardous materials. And that concludes our look at the top 5 workplace accidents in manufacturing. Remember, safety is not just a set of rules, it's a mindset, a shared responsibility that protects us all. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and always follow safety protocols to prevent these common workplace accidents. And remember, if you see something, say something. Don't be afraid to speak up about potential hazards. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. Until next time, take care.